Hello cadets, welcome back. If you've been paying attention lately, then you've already heard of yield farming, also known as liquidity mining, and their astronomical gains. Today, we'll do a quick breakdown, discuss the pros and cons, and why it might be attractive to someone like you. I'm Captain Crypto, and welcome to Cryptonauts. In agricultural farming, yield is measured by the amount of crop grown per unit area of land. DeFi has taken up this farming metaphor and memed it into existence. Let's take a look at how this works. In June of 2020, an Ethereum project by the name of Compound Finance launched into the DeFi space. Traders immediately flocked to their platform in hopes of farming their Compound token. The platform allowed users to create loans from their digital assets by providing liquidity and earning interest in return. This works similarly to a CD at a bank. You enter a fixed contract with the bank, deposit your money, and they reward you with higher interest while they lend out your deposit. The difference here in yield farming is that your money gets locked into a smart contract and rewards are paid out in tokens such as Compound. People like you and me and that noisy neighbor upstairs can create liquidity for users to borrow from. Okay, but I'm still not seeing those astronomical gains. The key here is controlling the supply of the reward tokens. Limited availability leads to more demand. As demand goes up, the price will follow. Let's look at Yearn Finance as an example. Users stake their ERC20 stablecoins into the platform and earn YFI tokens as a reward. The founders created a limited supply of 30,000 coins only, and the demand for it continued to rise as the platform became more popular. The coin launched at a price of $1,000, and in just 1 month, a single YFI rose to 33,000. If only I had money to invest. Liquidity miners are also keeping an eye out on the total value locked. This refers to the amount of crypto locked into the liquidity pools, and it's a good indicator to measure the health of the DeFi market and yield farming as a whole. The more value that's locked, the more yield farming that's going on. All right, cadets, what did we learn today? That you gotta spend money to make money. But really, people create their own liquidity pools in yield farming and earn tokens as interest. These tokens are limited and increase in value quickly, leading to astronomical gains. Are you guys yield farmers? Drop us a comment below. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe. Until next time, hodl, secure your crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik and Andre be with you always.